Video number 2. Playing in the rain. Walking in the rain.
That's really cold.
Not that cold.
Much of it's cold.
Yes. I have to walk up here for the bus. Rather than walking up my driveway.
Yeah.
Pedal. Oh, why is it raining hard anymore?
Oh gosh.
That was awesome.
So much more. Maybe we go pull something.
Oh, yay.
Splash.
We're going to splash in this puddle, okay? Okay. Oh, hang on, I'm getting a deeper part. I think that's mud, though.
It's really deep. I wasn't expecting it to be that deep.
It is mud.
It's really deep. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That wasn't there.
That was a fail.
That's the frog, that's the guard frog. Every time somebody drives by, it goes, right.
Hold on, Mike, everybody. Hi now.
Oh, no more pedals.
Oh, wet now.
Oh, baby. I got you wet. This is so awesome. Weird.